Hey, good morning, Cam.
Hey, good morning, Alex.
You know, the numbers have just come out for the month of August, and a really pleasant surprise. 5,600 sales, which was better than July. Average price went up a little bit, which again is a pleasant surprise. And what is also surprising is that August, which is usually has the fewest sales of the year, was better in July. So all very, very positive indicators about the real estate market.
Yes.
Now, this morning, the Bank of Canada raised the bank rate by 0.75%. How do you think that's going to impact our market?
Yeah. Well, thanks, Alex. Yeah, the bank rate went up this morning. It's important. So interest rates are obviously important to real estate and the economy, but they're not the only thing. It's not the only thing that's important. So to put it in perspective, it was anticipated the bank would do that. So most products, mortgage products and things had already anticipated that increase, as had the market. So in terms of prices, that sort of thing. And in any market, and you and I have often talked about this, Alex, and it's really important for certainly the buyers and sellers out there who are listening today and other real estate agents. You know, there's opportunities in every market, and markets go up, they go down, they change. That's life. And there's some real neat opportunities now that didn't exist 6 months ago. And I wanted to talk a little bit about those with you. Then we had talked a little bit about it. And I kind of look at really, there's three things going on here, I think, in terms of opportunities. One is, and I think everyone has heard this in the press, the rental market is just really, really, really strong right now. I
Very
can't
strong, yeah.
overemphasize. Rents are up substantially year over year, and that's not changing. So
Yeah.
you and I have often talked about investment opportunities. So this is some properties that may not have been economically viable for an investor 6 months ago, now maybe. So there's the first opportunity.
Right, right.
Secondly, there's an opportunity for trade up. So trade up really means you're buying a bigger home for your family, obviously. And the key is the gap, right? So the gap between what you're buying and selling for. And the neat thing when markets adjust, when prices adjust, is that gap reduces. So the gap to trade up now is less. So it's a good opportunity for trade up. And of course, so many people have a lot of equity in their homes with prices going up so much over the last 5 and 10 years. So they can afford to trade up too. So that's another opportunity to make sure people are aware of. And then finally, you've got this sort of geographic opportunity. You know, the white picket fence, the backyard for the kids with the swing set is still something that a family in Canada often desires. It's changing, but it's still there. And if somebody couldn't afford a detached home 6 months ago, now they may be able to. And because there's real strength in the condo and the rental market, particularly in the 416, you know, that trade from a 416 condo to a 905 detached makes a ton of sense right now. So a neat opportunity. Yeah.
Great advice. And I agree with you. And the couple of factors that are driving the rental rates is the government of Canada committed to 1.2 million new immigrants, and they're coming in and there's still a shortage. So that is maintaining and even increasing the rental rates because there's just not enough product. Yeah. So that's absolutely correct. And the other factor, I think, which makes the higher mortgage rates more palatable is the fact that everybody is acknowledging it's a short-term solution to conquer inflation. And so we don't know how long, but everybody's saying, okay, this is short-term, and at some point in time, the rates will come down. So This is why I believe why a lot of people are not that afraid to buy now. They acknowledge interest rates will be high, but then they're going to refinance when the opportunity comes in.
Yeah.
But in this market, by the way, I was just doing some stats, and so far this year, 32% of real estate agents did 0 transactions. Yeah. So the key when buying and selling is to make sure you're dealing with somebody who's in the market, somebody who's knowledgeable, somebody who's professional, somebody who's a full-time agent with a company that knows the market. And need I say, those are the RE/MAX Realtron agents. So with the right agent, absolutely, the market is there.
Absolutely. Yeah, the Realtron agent can help guide you in any market, but particularly in this type of
In this
market
type
where
of
there's
market, you
opportunities and things are changing quickly. So,
absolutely, you need that guidance.
yes.
Great. I'm looking forward to even better numbers in September. Have a great month, Cam, and we'll chat soon.
Thanks so much, Alex. You too.
All right.